Do you feel like you're not getting the tip you deserve? Like your guests do not appreciate enough everything you do for them? Let me give you 3 secrets that will change that and double your income in very short time. The biggest challenge restaurants face right now is finding quality staff, which leads to the second major issue: unskilled team, lacking F&B knowledge and motivation. We can help you with both, but I want you to focus first on the staff you have right now in your restaurant. Create a training program that pushes them every day to learn, improve, gain more knowledge, get more skills, build their confidence. When your team feels valued, well-trained, and know their craft, they will provide better service, they will stick around for longer, and it's going to be much easier for you to attract new talent. The bottom line is, your company culture will change, your guests will receive exceptional service, and everyone will be making more money. So don't delay. Start today, and if you don't know how and where to start, call us. Let's talk. We are here to help. Alright guys, I know a lot of people think waiter's job, easy money. Absolutely not. We are not there to carry plates around the restaurant and do nothing else. Our job is very complicated, and that's why we need to learn all those skills that will help us perform at the highest level and earn the maximum of money we can earn. And today I'm talking about earning money. I'll give you the 3 secrets that will make you top earner, and of course we will discuss at the end of the video the 4th thing you need to learn and understand and perform to really skyrocket your tip. The first thing that will help waiter make money from tip is confidence. The more confident you are, the more money you will make. That is a guarantee. If a guest sees someone walking with confidence, talking with confidence, performing all the service skills with confidence, they know that they are in good hands and they will be taken care of. They appreciate that, and at the end of the day, when it's time to pay the bill, you will see the difference. But don't mix confidence with cockiness. Alright? Confidence means that you know the menu, you know the wine list, you know the drink list, you know all the service procedures, you perform the steps of service perfectly. Alright? But also you need to work on your appearance. How do you walk? How you stand up? How you move your hands? How you keep your face? Confidence also means that when it's really stressful, you can keep your calm. That also impresses guests. So, in order to radiate confidence, you need to learn the menu, you need to learn the wine list, you need to learn the service procedure to be skillful and do all the service procedures with elegance, with finesse. That's what confidence means. And I guarantee you, if you change only this one thing in your job, you will see immediate results. Nothing impresses guests more than seeing you, the waiter or the waitress, anticipating their needs. Nothing. If you want to impress your guests, anticipating needs is all you need. Now, what does that mean? You are serving a steak. What the guest might ask for. Don't wait for the guest to say, excuse me, can you bring me a sauce? Can you bring me a black pepper? Can you bring me this or that? No, you anticipate that they might need some spicy sauce for that, or they might need black pepper for the steak, and you just go there and offer it, or they bring it directly if you have time. Bring the big Pepper meal, excuse me guys, you have a nice steak, we always offer meal pepper with that. Would you like to have some fresh pepper? You know, they have pepper on the table, but bringing the big pepper meal and doing that for them, that is showing them that you care, all right? And you're anticipating that they might need that. Not just that, glass of wine, empty, immediately. Would you like to have another glass of wine? Or if they have a bottle, may I pour some more wine for you? Don't wait for the guest to wave, "Hi, can I have another glass of beer? Can I have another glass of wine?" No, you anticipate. Now that means that you are really willing to give the extra effort. I know waiters, waitresses, we are always busy, we're running around. Man, I don't have done these details, but those details are the one that make you money and impresses your guests and makes them happy, makes them feel welcome and at home. That's why those details are so important, and that's why I'm telling you that if you start anticipating your guest needs, you will change everything. Everything. They will love you, you will love them, and at the end of the day, you're gonna have more money in your pockets. Alright, number 3 is, and trust me, that's extremely important, small talk. You need to learn how to small talk with your guest. That means you develop your communication skills, alright? And of course, you have to be very careful. You cannot talk about with guests about anything. Don't go over there and talk about politics. Do not talk about politics. Even if the guest says something about politics, you say, I'm sorry, I just don't follow this case, or whatever the case is. Do not engage in politics. Politics are very dynamite subject, you know? You can really get in trouble with that. Talk about, how was your day, ma'am? How was your day, sir? Look at this beautiful dog. Wow, such a beautiful kid. I like your dress. I like your hat. Those kind of things you need to learn. And to be good at that, you need to practice. You need to push yourself, you know? Let's go. Stand in front of the mirror and start talking. Open-ended questions. Learn how to ask open-ended questions. Would you like a white wine? Is that an open-ended question? No. Because the answer could be no or yes. If you ask what kind of wine you like, now it's the open-ended question. They can elaborate on that. So ask open-ended questions, give nice compliments to the guest, all right? Maybe you can have a nice story about the restaurant, about the place you're working, the town, the village, whatever the case is. But you need to learn to small talk, because while small talking with guests, you're establishing this personal relationship and they feel like really at home. They feel at ease. They appreciate that. They love you more. And if I love you, of course I give you more tip than I usually give. 100%. There is no doubt about it. So learn to small talk. Now, those are the 3 things. If you master, I guarantee you, you are going to double and triple your tip. I will guarantee you that 100%. There is no doubt about it. But, of course, let me give you the 4th secret. And it's not secret at all. It's just so simple. Guests base their tip on the bill. How big is the bill? And then they base the percentage they will tip on your performance and, of course, the quality of the food. Now, if your performance is amazing, right, they will give you 20% tip on the bill. But if you learn how to raise the bill and your performance is amazing, that will raise your tip with 20%, a 20% tip even higher. Now, what I mean is, guys, you need to become top sellers. Because, especially in the United States, Canada, Australia, those countries that get 18-20% automatic tip, raising the bill will make more money for you. Now, how to become a top seller? We have, of course, lessons on the Waitress Academy, on the courses, but we have also free lessons on the Waitress Academy, and on the channel you can learn and become a top waiter, top seller, right? Just like the small talk. Go and watch the lesson, go watch the video about small talk. Learn about the anticipating. We have videos about confidence. Watch those videos. Build your confidence. Move, act with confidence. Anticipate your guest needs. Learn how to talk to your guests and sell. Become a top seller. You're selling $20 more to every table you have today. Let's say 10 tables. You have 10 tables and you sell on average $20 more to all those tables. At the end of the year, a waiter in the United States will have earn $12,000 extra in tip. Can you imagine that? Just for making the effort to sell $20 more to each table. You will earn $12,000 more in tip? You gotta be kidding me, but it's true. Make the math. That's how you raise your money. That's how you raise and maximize your earning potentials. Do not sleep, guys. Improve your skills, improve your knowledge, and make the most money you could make at the job you have. And there is one more thing I want to mention when I'm talking about skills and knowledge and selling and all those kind of things. Imagine that today you decide, yes, I will start anticipating my guest needs. Yes, I will master my small talk. Yes, I will be a top seller in the restaurant. Yes, I will walk and talk with confidence. What's going to happen? Yes, you're going to raise your income. That's 100% sure. But what's going to happen else is the guests will love you. Your management will love you. The chef, the kitchen will love you. You will become the top dog in the restaurant. You will get the top station in the restaurant. You will work the top shift in the restaurant. What that does? Brings your earning up. Because you can work in the best restaurant in the world, but you work lunch. Lunchtime, you don't make even quarter of what the dinner waiters make. You push yourself, you do all the things that I'm telling you right now, and the manager will see that and tell, hey, this guy or this girl deserves to work dinner shift. Let's put them in the dinner shift, right? You immediately increase your earning potentials with 3 to 4 times. Immediately, from lunch going to dinner. But they will put you in a corner station. They're not going to be, oh, this guy's going to be in a dinner shift top dog. No. They will put you in a corner station, but you keep improving and keep showing yourself that you're the top of everything. Now, a few months later, you are going to move from the corner to the top station, and from the 4 o'clock shift, you're going to go to 6 o'clock shift. So you go to 6 o'clock at work, you work till 11 o'clock, 5 hours, you work in the top station, and what's happening? You're making the top money in this restaurant. And back in the days when you were working lunch and you were making, let's say, $50, $60 a day, now suddenly you're making $500 a day. That is the difference. 10 times. All right? Don't even try to count how much money that more is for the year. That is, guys. Those tips are valuable. I hope that you will take this heart and try to implement everything that you just heard in this video. And I guarantee you, 1 year later, you will come back here to the channel and you say, hey, Ned, you know what, man? You changed my life. Peace. Here at the Waitress Academy, we are committed to providing comprehensive professional training that put waiters in the top 10% of our industry and help small family-owned restaurants to compete with multi-million-dollar chains by providing the highest quality service to their guests. For the past 5 years, more than 100,000 waiters have used our tutorials to gain knowledge, learn new skills, and land top jobs. Globally, more than 1,000 restaurants and small hotels have used our training programs to raise the performance of their F&B staff, improve their product and profitability. We offer two plans for restaurants, yearly and lifetime. By signing up now, you gain full access to the 6 existing courses on the site, plus everything we create in the future at more than 70% discount. Currently, we provide the following training: waiter training course, busser training course, basic wine course for waiters, beverage and beverage service course, coffee and tea course, and leadership class, how to become a leader. The results of the participating restaurants have been nothing less than miraculous. We have 30% increase in revenue, 42% increase in profitability, 65% less turnover, and improvement in your team environment, which is priceless. Join us now. Take advantage of this limited time offer. Click the button and I'll see you on the inside.